Hello family, nice sunny day out today. Yes it is. Let me get this light. And I am happy to be here with you. That time change, I'm telling you, has made a world of difference. Yes it has. So it's a wonderful day. I'm happy you're here with us. This is gonna be a really quick meal today. Yes it is. So I love you. And if you're just joining us, hey, subscribe. We love you over here. Today we're going to have, find these glasses. Yes. And it's Smithfield Anytime Favorites. And this is a hickory smoked boneless ham steak. So that's what we're going to have. Water added, 97% fat free. So we're going to do this in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to rinse my hands again, and we're going to get started with this. Let's do it. So, here we go. Step over here, get it going really good. Rinse. I'm telling you, that Method grapefruit soap, I just love it. I love that smell. Love it. So I'm going to put this skillet over here. There's a tablespoon of butter in the skillet. So what we're going to do is going to open this like so. And I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm going to rinse this anyway, you know. Yes. So, step over here, and use cold water on, and we're going to rinse this. So, yes, we are. So, do a little rinsing. This is a nice one, too. Yes, it's going to be great. Move this to the side, and I want you to see, this is what we're working with. We're going to put it into our skillet. Like so. Go. That can go there. These can come off. I'm going to have a seat. We have some great value diced sweet potatoes in a pot. So we're also going to have these tender green asparagus spears. We're going to have that. We're going to use some grapeseed oil with that. Have a couple of grape tomatoes. I just want to do a little slicing here with those, you know. And we're going to add this to our asparagus. How about that? Juice, look at this. Juice went squirting across the way. That's okay. Juice and all going in here. So let's do this. Like I say, this is a quick one. So, rinse the fingers. Take this and set up. And okay, these asparagus are by, let's see if we can find the name. Let's see. But I can tell you this, they came from Dollar Tree, MC Trader, tender green asparagus spears, and I'm telling you, they are tender. So, what I want to do is pour some of this liquid off. I don't want that, because we don't want it. And we're going to take our grapeseed oil. I'm going to put a little, let's see, I'm going to do it over here. And turn this on, put a little grapeseed oil, just drizzle it. Now I'm going to show you how I did this. Just drizzle it across the bottom of the pan. Let's see, like so. Here we go. And we'll put that back here. Got that eye on, and we're going to take our asparagus into this. It's going just like that. And Clean it up a little bit. That. Okay. Goes the tomatoes, like so. And we're going to get over here and check this egg here, this hamsteak. So what I just did, you can see that I sliced it in half. Okay. So turn this over like so, and I'm going to turn this eye down because I got it between high and medium. And I want to turn that down like so. This can go here, and then what I want to do is I'm going to put that there. I'm going to take some of this light brown sugar, like so. And this is the Great Value light brown sugar. And we're going to take a tablespoon. Ordinarily, I would do this different, but you know what? I'm going to do it like this. Give me a glove right in here. Like so. I mean, you don't have to do it like this, but I'm just going to do this. There we go. And we're going to just across the steak like so. Okay. Glove on. This goes over here. You put that there. Okay. And so we take, you know, anything, and you could just slide it across your ham like so. You know. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn it again, and that's going to put the sugar on the bottom. Let me do this. Run it around the right. Get it off. Run around the right way, like so. And turn it up. So it's between medium and high. It's going to start smoking, but that's okay. Let's see about this. And you can just move this around like so. And you can turn that one up. There you go. Take this little knife and do this. You know, we're in the kitchen, we do things our way. It's no set way to do it. We just do what we gotta do. This is starting to smoke a little bit, and that's fine. That is okay. Yams are doing okay. Everything's working out, family. Got a little dreaming going on today, but we're dreaming in reality. Makes sense. Make it make sense, right? That's what the kids. Make it make sense. What did you just say? So what we got going on is we use this grapeseed oil, and this came from all these. This is Simply Nature, that brand, and it's non-GMO, 100% grapeseed oil. So 120 calories per tablespoon. That's not bad. Yes, so that's what's going on with the asparagus that we got from Dollar Tree, $1.25 all day long. Can't beat it. MC Trader, that's the brand. Great Value sweet potatoes, and what we did is we put about a half a stick of butter in there, and we put a quarter of a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and then we put a third of a cup of white granulated sugar. That's what we did. Check this. Okay. Yeah. Now I gotta turn turn this back down. And that's okay. Move this around, like so. And that's good. Do it like that. And we'll get it brown. Move this around a little bit. And not much that we have to prepare with this at all. You know, preparation time is, you know, way down on the scale. So it doesn't take much for this one. And then you can have rolls with it if you like. You can have bread. You know, regular bread. It's up to you how you want to serve it, right? Yes. This goes back in the cabinet. Like so. Okay, so. Check this now. And because that was so, that was a large Smithfield ham steak. Let me do this. See what's happening here. This cost $4.57. That's a good price. So, let me see. Ooh, popping, popping, popping. Price, yeah, that's not bad at all. $4.57, and it says 5, whatever. Yeah, boneless. That's not bad, family. That's not bad at all. $4.57, and that came from Walmart. Okay, so now. Let's do this. Time to plate everything. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to plate this. Get with this. Everything gets turned off. There we go. We'll take this. Here we go with our asparagus. Like so. I'm going to bring this over here. Okay, let's see. I want to do this. Like that. Bring it like so. Then we'll get our pot. Our potatoes and the spoon. Here it is. We won't use that one. I'll use this one, family. Here we go. And these are absolutely delicious. You know, absolutely. And we can put this back. Restaurants, when they're plating everything, they have to, you know, they have to do what they need to do. They have their little napkins or whatever, and if they need to go around the plates, you know, for presentation, because they don't want everything dripping and drizzling, you know, they do that. So we have a couple of buns here we can use. You know, be very tasty. These are Hawaiian rolls. Like so. Let's see how we want to do this. Go like that. And that's what you got. So let's do this. Here we go. Beautiful dinner. And I'm gonna peek here, see what's happening. All of a little over 15 minutes, family. A little bit over 15 minutes. So I started those sweet potatoes first. You know, all I had to do was open the pack, put this much water in the pot, just a little bit, you know, to cover the bottom. Put your potatoes in there, put your butter in, turn it down between medium and low. Watch it very closely in the beginning, and put the sugars in also. You know, put the top on, and then it'll start boiling soon. You'll see that, and then you're able to turn it down, and you can turn it back up. But you see, I had that on about, I'll say 5 minutes before we all stepped into the room. I started that. So then we got everything else here, family. Yes, we do. We got our beautiful color with the tomatoes and the asparagus. So it's a lovely dinner, and it doesn't take long at all. And a lot of what we cook over here, that's what it's about. We're trying to save time because everyone's busy. You know, you got the kiddos, you got to do things with them, and then sometimes you just want a quick meal. You know, we just want a quick meal. That's all it is to it. So again, I'm going to approach and let you see how beautiful that is. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And all the wonderful ingredients. So I love you. I love you. I love you, family. And I know you love me. And you know, we have our creative moments over here. No mistakes. We always say that. And so with that, I know you love me, as I always say. And love yourself always, family. Love yourself first. That's the most important thing you can ever do. It's about you, your creativity. Because once you love yourself, hey, you got love to give. Yes, you do got plenty of love to share. So with that, I'm just going to say bye for now. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.